A couple weeks back, I published a video where I talk about 5 things that I don't like on the FJ Cruiser, and today we're going to take care of one of those issues for good. It's this obnoxiously long antenna, which as you can see is very tall, it's unsightly, and every time that I'm off-roading on a really tight trail, this thing manages to grab every tree branch that you could possibly imagine. So it's time for it to go. The solution is the Stubby by Craven Speed. This is basically a cute little mini antenna. Go ahead and open it up. I bought it off of Amazon, $25. I'll put a link to it in the description below. It's cute, as you can see. It's also super high quality. It's made here in the United States, about 3 hours that direction. It's made out of machined aluminum. It's got stainless steel threads, and then it's powder coated for protection. They also offer awesome customer service. The reason I know this is because Amazon sent me the wrong one. I contacted Craven Speed. I had a new one in the mail the following day before I'd even returned the incorrect antenna. So very impressed with that, and then install is super quick and easy. So first we take off our old antenna by spinning this counterclockwise. Go ahead and toss that aside, and we'll take our Stubby. We'll screw this in clockwise. It's that easy. And as you can see, it's much smaller, so it's not going to be catching on anything. It's nice and durable, and it looks pretty good too. So that is the Stubby. I've actually tested out on the FJ already, and the reception is quite good if you're wondering about that. Very impressed with it all around. Again, a link to it is in the description below. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those below as well. And for more FJ Cruiser videos, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.